guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. It's been a couple weeks. It's been 2 weeks. I know, but listen, okay, I had a new job, okay, and I was like doing my low carb bullshit, so I didn't really feel like making anything and dealing with all that. But I do have wings again. I know I was like in my last couple videos, but I have these cauliflower tots. They look kind of like a mess, but they're really good. So today's a little bit of a cheat day for me. I'm kind of over my calories, but a little bit over my carbs, but we're not gonna talk about it. I'm not like, everything I've eaten today has been lower carb. These are cauliflower bacon cheddar, the Green Giant. They're steaming, they just came out of the oven. I love them. They're good. I think they're a good alternative to tater tots. Some people argue that they're not good for you, blah blah blah, whatever. They've been helping me through my low carb process, so I stick by them and they help me, so that's what I'm going for. So over here I have spicy garlic parm wings. I cooked them in the air fryer and then I put them on the stove and sauteed it with some garlic and some butter and a little bit of hot sauce. So I'm really excited. Tons of garlic on there. And then I have ranch and blue cheese in here. Spicy. Oh. And very garlicky. Yum. So good. I was gonna have some sausage gravy, but I decided against it. On the side I have vodka and blackberry sparkling ice. That's my last vodka shot. So I've just been really busy working, guys. Starting my new job. It was kind of weird in the beginning, but I'm getting used to it now. I'm just very thankful that I was able to find a job, because they didn't tell me I was gonna get my job back at my old place. And as far as I'm concerned, they can kindly fuck off. Like, I already have a plan in my head of what I'm gonna say if they ask me to come back, which I doubt they will. But the messed up part about it, all my stuff is still there. All of my stuff is still there in the office. All of it. My personal belongings. I mean, thank God I was able to grab my degree. Like, thank God somebody was still working there I was friends with that was able to grab my degree for me. I will not make that mistake twice. Never again. My degree stays with me from now on. Like, I had a whole office, and, you know, it doesn't mean shit. I'm in a cubby now. And I'm getting paid way more. And I'm valued way more. So big offices don't mean anything. It's some bullshit. But I had to cancel my trip to see Grace, my friend. And it's sad. I was sad to cancel because I wanted to go, but you know, I told her, I'm like, what's the point of going if there's literally gonna be nothing to do, you know? Because I'm gonna visit her in a bigger city, so. But yeah, I'm still talking to some people that I was close with at my old position. It's just weird now that I won't see them every day. It's full of garlic. Anyway. Is anybody caught up on Nikocado drama? There's just garlic everywhere. I'm watching his most recent video. I really can't tell if it's fake or not anymore. Like, I genuinely cannot tell. Shit's a mess. Personally, I think that they're both very toxic for each other. Like, I literally just got garlic everywhere. Anyway, like, they're just extremely toxic. It's just one of those situations where you are obviously better off apart than together. It's like a reality TV show. Literally. I mean, his entire life is a reality TV show. Let's be real. This is so good. But yeah. I don't know. He's like literally crazy. Every time I watch a video, I can't help but laugh sometimes because it's like, I really can't tell if he's being serious or not. You know? Like, all he does is lie. But, I have a new favorite YouTuber. I'm obsessed with him. Like, I think he's the funniest person ever. These bones are cracked. But, he's called The Gaining Ground. He does reaction videos. But he's not like other reaction channels. Like, he honestly just wants to make you laugh. Because some people do some crazy shit. Like, I love Foodie Beauty. I think she's such a great YouTuber. I think she, like, I really think she uses, like, the platform to get people. Anyway, he reacts to her quite often, and it's really like the highlight of my fucking week whenever he posts something with her. And he'll do like Sunday morning coffee time. These wings are weird. He'll do like Sunday morning coffee time, and I watch every Sunday. He's just so entertaining. And he doesn't take everything so personally. Like, people think that, like, YouTubers are doing things just to, like, hurt them. Oh my god. But this guy, he just doesn't care. He just, like, reacts to it. It's really funny. So, I like watching him. I literally watch every single video he posts. Like, I'm dedicated. A dedicated viewer. I'm just having to have a good time. My window's open, so that's why you hear all the noise. It's pretty nice out today. It's about 75 in here, which is hot, but I don't feel like turning on the air. There was a whole fiasco with our air conditioners. Like, we have 3 air conditioners, and we've had them for the 2 years that we've lived here. 2 were already here that we paid for to the previous people who lived here, and basically we bought them for 50 bucks. Perfect. Okay, didn't have to buy any. Well, tried to pull them out the other day, and they literally had mold all in the vents. So I'm like, well, I don't want to risk it, and I'm just gonna toss them. Like, I'm not gonna risk it. No, like, no. So we have the one still that we bought brand new that we kept not in the attic, and we have that one, but we don't have one in the bedroom. And it's just like a fiasco. Like, we have to try to find one, and I don't want to spend $300 on a fucking air conditioner. So I've been searching Facebook Marketplace religiously, trying to find a good deal, something close. Like, I don't want to drive to another state, so I'll figure it out. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Back to regular scheduled videos, probably once a week. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate it. Thanks for letting me get my groove on. And I'm so close to 300 subscribers. Like, what happened? thank you everybody for all your support. I really appreciate it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.